First things first, today I'm recording on my GoPro Hero 11 I just bought. So far I think it's a beautiful camera. Second of all, I am currently headed to work on my four-wheeler. Yes, the last 2 weeks or so, it has been in a million pieces, and that is about to change. Hopefully by the end of the day, we have it running. And yeah, hopefully by the end of the day we have it running. I got a trip coming up. That's another reason why I bought this GoPro. I'm not going to tell you where we're going yet, but I have an idea. It's never there either, so yeah. What started this whole ordeal is, so I had, there was oil leaking, and I just figured that out, just a head gasket, nothing really to worry about. And so I replaced this, went to go, I brought it to my buddy's shop, and we went and tore into it, and realized it was more than just a head gasket. Well, it started out as a head gasket, now turned into a stripped out threads on this thing. Turned into metal shavings on the piston. And turned into this. We're just going to tear it down and start from the bottom up. By the end of all things, we had the whole thing completely dismantled except for the bottom end, like the crankshaft and stuff. But everything from the piston up, the cylinder wall, the piston, all got changed. Yeah, so what ended up happening is there was a over-torqued head bolt or two over-torqued head bolts that caused all the trouble. And yeah, not really the best scenario, but hopefully by the end of the day we have it running. We just have a little bit to do yet. Also, I replaced the clutch on it, and yeah. So you can see here, this is what it looks like right now. He was actually working at it, and looks like he got the new cylinder on. And looks like we need to put a few more bolts on, put the camshaft back on, figure out the timing, and hopefully she runs. He just went to get some tools from where he works, and currently waiting for him to show up right now. So yeah. I've got some work I want to do to this thing once we get it all fixed up and we're back and running. If it wasn't for him, I don't know what I would do, to be honest. He knows his way around racing four-wheelers pretty well, I would say. Yeah, that's his right there. He has a Raptor 700. And now we're coming around to the other side here. We put the new clutch in, heavy-duty springs. So hopefully the clutch opens up. But yeah. So let's just get right into today's video here. Yeah, that sure does help.